I think next year we're going to bring an air horn. What do you think? Air horn? What? A gong. A gong? Yeah. Okay, we have Owen, Ronan, Miles, and Alexa. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Way out in front. Googly